slime for you. Here we go. So first we're going to start out with water. In 1 cup, or in 1 bowl, we're going to put 1.5 cups of very warm water into the bowl. Okay, can you go refill that with 1.3 cups of warm water? All the way over so we don't spill. There we go. Good news. Okay, now, can you measure 2 teaspoons of borax into that? You can just put it right into there. And I'm going to measure the glue. We're going to do 2 cups of glue in one of the bowls. No? Not going to work? Here. Pour it into the bowl and then you can scoop it out. It'll work easier. That's good. It's way more than enough. I'm going to do glue.
1 teaspoon for each? Or 2 teaspoons?
2 teaspoons total, just in that bowl. That's all you need. Is that 2 teaspoons?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're going to do 2 cups of glue. This is going to make a large batch. And then we'll split it in half. You start stirring that one to do 2 different colors. Okay. Another cup of glue. This is why we need bigger bowls.
Yeah.
This is making a lot of slime.
Mm-hmm.
We like a lot of slime.
Yeah.
Okay. Now that one in there. Now normally this is where you'd add in the food coloring, but since we're gonna do 2, I'm gonna mix the glue in the water here. Can you move your arm over a little bit?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Should it dissolve?
Yeah, you want it to dissolve, so a little slower so it doesn't splash out of the sides. You're about to splash.
Is
there more dripping?
Yeah.
Will you need a napkin real quick?
Yeah.
We're going to do green. 1, 2, a whole bunch of green. And here we'll do blue. Squirt, squirt, a whole bunch of blue. What we're going to do right now is we're going to add in the borax. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. This is the chemical that makes it into slime. Burton, you wanna mix the green one for me when I pour it in?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Start stirring.
Gonna be fun. Oh, you spilled, Mom.
Oh, yeah, I spilled a little more. Here we come. Ah, it keeps spilling.
Oh ho ho! Yeah, that's slime. Aren't you see? Oh. It's like immediately turn it into slime.
Yeah, isn't that so fun? Here, move your arm. You can't see the video because your arm is right there. Woo! A little more in that one?
Yeah, probably.
A little more in this one?
Mm-hmm.
A little more in that one?
This
And
one's
that's it. Okay.
stretchy.
Stretchy and
Can I put
gooey
the
and
sparkles
slimy.
now?
We'll do that in just a sec. Let's get this stirred in really good first.
Can I help stir it?
It's kind of good. I'm going to take off my ring. To get your hands in there and mix it. And that helps it a little bit better. And there's always going to be some liquid left behind that will just pour off into one of the bowls.
Can we pour out the liquid?
Just a sec. Get it mixed well first, Millie. One hand at a time, okay? Just Mom's hand, and then you can help in a sec when we do the glitter. Just keep mixing it for just a minute.
I'm just going to wash my hands.
Okay. Look at the slime. Okay, awesome. I'm going to pour off my extra liquid into this bowl here. You want to do the same. And we wanted to add some glitter to our slimies.
Can I do it now, Mom?
Yeah, you can help me mix it in.
Yay! I'll do the green. Should
Okay,
I?
help me pour some in.
Should I do it with small or big?
I'm doing the big one. We want lots of glitter.
Nice.
No, we're gonna do it.
Oh, there's still a little bit of liquid.
Yeah, that happens.
I mix it?
You kind of want to do the glitter mixing with hands.
Is that good?
More. You want a lot of glitteries, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
So can I mix it?
Yep, get in there and mix it with your hands.
I have to mix it a lot of glittery glitters.